Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make burgol with meat and chickpeas. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. 2 cups of roughly ground burgol. I'm gonna rinse it and leave it in soak for around 1 hour. 300 grams of small cut pieces of meat, around 1 cup of chickpeas left in soak for 1 day. And to cook the meat we're gonna use 1 small onion, 3 or 4 garlic cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, some cardamom, and some bay leaves. 1 chopped onion, big pieces, and 3 or 4 minced garlic cloves, half spoon of ground cardamom, half spoon of cumin, half spoon of turmeric, little bit of black pepper, and 1 spoon of 7 spices. Some olive oil, some vegetable oil, and some salt. My friends, these are our ingredients and now let's see how to prepare our meal. First we're gonna cook the meat. In a pot over medium-high heat, put some vegetable oil, then add over it the meat. Stir the meat until it changes color. Then add the spices that we have. Stir it. Then add over it the onion, the cinnamon, the cardamom, the leaves, and the garlic. Stir all together. And finally add the water and leave it cooking for around 2 hours. After 2 hours, see if the meat is done, then add the salt, leave it cooking for around 4 or 5 more minutes, then take it down and drain it. In another pot, add some olive oil, then add the onion, the cut onion. Leave it cooking for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the minced garlic. Stir it until you start smelling the garlic share. Then add the meat. The chickpeas, the burgol. Stir all together. Then add the meat broth over it. Remember, each cup of burgol is gonna use 1 cup of water. And cook it like you cooking the rice. Wait until it's chopped all or the most of the water, then turn the heat down, cover it, and leave it cooking slowly. And finally, this is our burgol with meat and garbanzo. You can eat it alone or with yogurt and cucumber salad, whatever you like. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.